Hi there, students. Toggle. A noun or a verb? To toggle. I think I'm going to deal with the verb to start with. To toggle is to move between two or more various positions. So maybe the display on your computer, you could toggle between different types of view. Yeah, with the window that you're viewing with this, you could toggle to full screen or part screen or completely closed and not visible. So you are switching or alternating between different positions or different states. The shift key on your keyboard is so that you can toggle between capital letters and small letters. Yeah, so you can quickly toggle between the different things. The hotkeys on your computer keyboard are so that you can toggle between different settings. It doesn't have to be on the computer though. A toggle could be a switch or a lever so that you could toggle between different positions. If you put the lever here, the rope is completely up, and if you put the lever there, the rope is completely down. So you use this lever to toggle between the two different positions, and that's the verb to toggle. Now, a toggle, I guess you could call this switch a toggle, but a toggle is something completely different. It's a way that they use to fix ropes. So you have a loop of rope, and you have something else with a pin in it, and you see what I've done there? That is a toggle. There's something that goes crossways, and you use this to hold it in place, yeah? And the toggle is easily done or undone. It's sort of like a way to button something up, but there's a pin going through, and it holds it in a loop, yeah? Like I showed you. So there's the loop, and this is the toggle, and the whole thing is a toggle. Yeah, and you can use that to attach things to a belt or to a climbing apparatus or something like that. This is particularly was used in sailing ships or things like that. So, to toggle, to switch between two different positions, particularly with computers, there are ways to toggle between different views of things or different ways of looking at it. Yeah? I guess as well to toggle, to give something a toggle. Yeah? Yeah, so, to toggle. Notice, to toggle is a regular verb. He toggled between the various different settings. He has toggled this before, I guess. What about formality? This is a 5 in formality. You could use it anywhere. I think the rope thing is technical, and you could use it anywhere. As a verb, to toggle between two different states or to toggle between various states. Notice toggle between, that preposition is quite common. Yeah, so a toggle, I guess a button to turn on or off certain features. I guess a simple light switch just toggles between on and off of the light bulb. Yeah. Okay, what about origin? Well, maybe it comes from the verb to tug, to pull. Yeah. But more than that, I'm not convinced. So, a toggle, a type of way to hold a piece of rope, a type of fastening, and to switch between different positions. I guess with this toggle, either it's done up or undone. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. toggle.